Hey everyone, Gabriel here from Sky Scaling. In today's video, I would like to go over one of our clients' campaign results for recruiting in Manitoba. So I know I haven't posted one of these in a while. We've been extremely busy with a lot of other stuff going on. However, work doesn't stop. Campaigns are always doing great. And so today, I think, I thought would be a great time to showcase one of the best campaigns we've been running since the beginning of this year, honestly. So this campaign is something that we've been running for just a few weeks now, probably 3 weeks now. So the amount spent for this campaign has only been $208. So very low in terms of, usually the campaign results we show our campaigns have been running for quite a while, months almost. And so this is something that's very new. However, the results are, way too good for me not to show this off. So $208 in terms of amount spent. Again, this is probably over the course of 2 weeks. 17,000 impressions. Our click-through rate all is 5.31% with a link click-through rate of 2.83%, which is phenomenal. If you know anything about metrics and, ads manager, this is extremely good. And we've been able to, with this campaign, get over 42 leads. Okay. I know this sounds like a lot, and the cost per lead, only $4.95. You're probably thinking these leads are extremely unqualified. I'll be showing off the exact qualification process these leads go through in a few minutes. You'll see we have a very thorough qualification process. And so these results are legitimately extremely good. Okay. So 42 results, 42 leads, $4.95 is our cost per lead right now, with out of these 42 leads, 29 booked appointments. Okay. So let's actually do the math really quickly. 29 divided by 42, that gives us a booking ratio of 69%. Okay, with our cost per appointment being $7.17. Again, extremely good results for this campaign. And here is the exact process that we use to get these leads and these prospects on a booking call with our clients. Okay, so the first step is for the ad itself, right? So we would run the marketing. So at SkyScale, we run marketing for life insurance agents. If you're a life insurance agent looking to grow your recruiting, your team, your agency, or your book of clients, we help with both. So we would run the ads on your behalf. Someone clicks on the ads, they go through a qualification process, and obviously usually within that qualification process, we'll add some disqualification questions so that we want to make sure that your prospect is, actually qualified for the product or the opportunity. Once your prospect qualifies, they go through the survey, they submit the information, they get redirected to your booking page where your prospect can then go ahead and directly book a call in your calendar. Now, at this point, your prospect has two options, right? They can go ahead and book a meeting or not. That's really what it is, right? So, or what it comes down to. So if your prospect goes ahead and books a call, they'll get a confirmation message, reminders, both by SMS and email, and hopefully they show up. Now, on the other hand, if your prospect decides not to book a meeting, this is where AI comes in. So if after 3 minutes of your prospect submitting the survey, they haven't booked a meeting, they will get automatically engaged with or text message by your AI assistant. So your AI has one purpose and one purpose only. It is to engage with prospects that don't book calls. Try to engage with them in a conversation and get them to book a meeting that way. Now, last case scenario, all of our leads are text verified. So you can also call the prospect yourself by phone call and try to book them in yourself on a phone conversation, which I think is a great way to, build your business even more. So if you just want to rely on bookings, automated bookings, and AI nurturing, you will probably get these results. So probably close to 60-70% booking ratio for recruiting. For client acquisition, it's definitely a bit lower. And again, if you want to put in your manual, effort and call the leads yourself, you will get more bookings. So let me show you the actual qualification process that we use for these leads. Okay. So once your prospect clicks on the ad, which I won't show the ad here today because that's our IP, that's our secret sauce, right? So, but someone would see the ad online, click on the ad, and they will get redirected to this landing page that looks like this. So the headline says, "Discover an exclusive remote business opportunity." There's a short video that you can actually watch. Again, if you want to watch this video, jump on a call with us. We'll show you. Again, I can't show this on today's call, just because, again, this is our intellectual property. But complete our form. And so this is the qualification process that these leads will have to go through to become a prospect. Okay, so all your leads go through this. If they qualify, they become a lead. That is what counts as a lead. how this opportunity could benefit you. How do you get started? Ready to get started? Take the quiz. And so the first question we ask your prospects is, do you currently own a laptop or a desktop computer suitable for remote work? So it can actually work from home, right? That's the real question. Yes, I do. No, I do not. Or no, no, but I'm willing to acquire one. Or no, and I'm unwilling to obtain one even if necessary. So most MGAs don't provide people with equipment. You need your own stuff. And so again, there's two right answers. Yes, I do, or willing to acquire one. If your prospect answers no and unwilling to obtain one, they will get disqualified immediately. Okay, it stops there. So they must answer yes or willing to acquire one. Question number 2, are you on a student visa? They must answer no. If they answer yes, they get disqualified. What is your current employment status, employed or unemployed? If your prospect answers that they aren't employed, there's a follow-up question, which is, are you employed in the financial sector? Even if your prospect says yes, they can still continue the survey. However, this is definitely something you want to bring up on a meeting with them, because it could be a potential conflict of interest with what they're doing already. Okay. Have you ever been convicted of a criminal offense or spent time incarcerated? So they have to say no. If they answer yes, they will get disqualified. If you know anything about the financial industry and the LQP process, if you've been convicted of any criminal offense, you cannot go through the LQP process. How much time are you able to commit to this opportunity per week? Let's just say 10 to 20 hours. Are you comfortable with a commission-based compensation structure? Yes or no. They must answer yes. So again, we're making sure that your prospects are aware that this is a commission-based opportunity, okay? And last but not least, are you willing to undergo training and obtain the necessary licenses or certifications, even if it requires an initial investment of a few $100s? Yes, no, or I am already LQP licensed. Obviously, there's two right answers in here yet, right? Yes, or already LQP licensed. If they answer no, they will get disqualified from this process. First, last name, city, phone, email, and then your prospect can submit this info. As soon as your prospect submits this information, they get redirected to your booking page, which would look something like this. So congrats, you qualify on our remote opportunity designed for, this is Ontario. This will obviously vary based on your province, right? To ensure you don't miss out on this journey, complete the 2 following steps and receive all the essential details for a quick and easy start. Step 1, watch our quick video to review our remote business opportunity, your onboarding leader. This is where your information would appear, your picture. We have a video that explains a bit more about the opportunity and your calendar page. So again, very simple process. Prospect sees the ad, clicks on the ad, goes through this qualification process, gets redirected to the booking page, goes ahead, watches this video, books a call, hopefully. If they don't book a meeting, AI reaches out. And last but not least, you can always reach out yourself and book a call. So this campaign has been running for one of our clients in Manitoba, like I was mentioning. This client's name is actually Segdeep, and here's a picture of something that Segdeep posted in our community a few days ago. I also showed this on Instagram, so if you want to see our Instagram page, I did post this as well. Great Sky scaling system. AI is handling every conversation schedule. We just focus on meeting and getting the results. Amazing. So again, I'm not the one saying this stuff. Our clients are, which is amazing. So again, if you are an insurance agent in Canada, we are looking to start work in the US quite soon, actually. However, Canada is still our main market. If you're an insurance agent in Canada looking to grow your business, whether it's for recruiting, client acquisition, just go ahead, click on learn more down in the description of this video. Go ahead and book a call with our team. We'll see if you qualify. And if you do, we'll be able to showcase exactly how our process works. Again, it's been Gabriel. If you have any questions, just comment them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.